When you're trying to do a short sale, the bank is going to look for hardship. A hardship can be a ton of things. It can be a divorce. It can be a loss of income. It can be a curtailment of income, which means that your income was reduced from when you originally purchased the home. A lot of different things. And if you don't have a hardship, the bank is not going to want to approve your short sale. So the reason why we tell you that we've seen the bank not approve short sales based off of the fact that you're still current on your mortgage. We're seeing that a lot, especially with Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. They're now requiring you to be 30 to 60 days behind on your mortgage before they even open a short sale.
Have we ever seen a short sale go through where they were current on it?
Yes,
payment?
but it's a very, very small. And back in 2007 and 2008, we were seeing them, work with us more when you were current. But now they're getting harder on it as far as hardships. Now they're requiring you to have a hardship to even open a short sale file. So even though they were more flexible, and there are sometimes very rare cases where you can stay current on your mortgage and you will get approved for the short sale, but nowadays what we're seeing is that you have to at least be 30 to 60 days behind on your mortgage before they even consider your short sale.
So basically, if you want your short sale to go through, the banks are pretty much saying you need to be behind on payments.
We've literally been told that. We've literally submitted a file. We actually have a couple files right now that we had to tell our clients, listen, this is what the bank told us. They advised us that since you are still current, they're not even going to review your short sale.
Okay. Now, if you do go behind on your mortgage payment, obviously there's impact. So this is a decision that you have to make, and it's a critical decision. The obvious impact if you go behind on your mortgage payment is it's going to affect your credit. And it's going to affect it quite a lot. The more payments you go behind, the bigger the impact's going to be. Now, if you're doing a short sale, you're not going to be in the market for buying a house for at least 2 years, maybe more. So taking the hit on your credit for past due mortgage payments is not necessarily adding to it, but it's gonna hurt.
Most likely, if you're in this situation, your credit is going to be affected one way or the other.
Yeah.
That's just the reality. And honestly, sometimes if you even want to do a short sale to prevent foreclosure, you're going to have to miss your payments on some of them.
Okay. So now let's say you're borderline. You possibly could make the mortgage payment, but it's a real stretch. You're having a hard time keeping the electric bill paid and food on the table. So you're thinking, should I stop making mortgage payments just to get the short sale through? And if it doesn't work, I'll catch back up. That could be a huge problem, because what we've seen is if you go behind on one mortgage payment, the bank is going to obviously charge you late fees. Mm-hmm. There could be other fees, interest, and it's going to climb up. Once you miss 2 payments, those numbers get bigger and bigger. 3 payments, you get to a point where you're at a point of no return. Yep. In other words, you'll never, ever catch up. And you may think, okay, well, my mortgage payment is, let's say, $600 a month. I miss 1 payment, I miss 2 payments, that's $1,200. Well, don't be surprised to see the bank say, well, you missed 2 mortgage payments, you owe $1,200 in missed mortgage payments, plus another $1,200 in fines and fees. Mm-hmm. So now you owe $2,400 instead of $1,200, and that's where you get into the situation where you can't catch up. So if you're gonna miss a mortgage payment, you're gonna really quickly hit the point of no return of not being able to catch up, and you're in this for good. You're either going to complete the short sale or go to foreclosure.
And that's definitely something, like John said, it's a very hard decision, but it's very critical for the short sale. If you are behind on your mortgage already, which a lot of our clients are already 3-4 months behind, and if you are facing foreclosure, short sale, there really is no other alternative. Well, that's what we do every day. We are preventing foreclosure, and we work directly with the banks. So you can walk away, and even though you've missed 6 months of payments, you can walk away and pay nothing.
Okay. So if you are behind on payments, mortgage payments, and facing foreclosure, don't foreclose. Use a short sale. And if you're in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, we'd be more than happy to help you with the short sale. We're O'Gaze Real Estate. You can reach us at 972-342-0011. And thanks for watching.